Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Mahiruddin. Today's topic is the power of networking for career growth. This presentation focuses on how building professional relationship can create opportunities for career growth. It highlights the importance of networking in opening doors to internship, jobs, mentorship, and long-term professional success. Our next slide is preview of main point. This slide previews the main ideas of the presentation by explaining why networking is important, how strong relationships create opportunities, and simple way to start building a professional network. It gives audience a clear roadmap of what will be discussed. Our next slide is connect to success, why networking matters. This slide explains why networking is essential for career success by showing how connection create opportunities beyond job boards. It emphasizes that referral and conversation provide valuable insight and increase career awareness. Our next slide is build this benefit of strong relationship. This slide highlights how strong relationship built on trust can lead to career growth, promotions, and greater job satisfaction. It shows that being visible and engaged in your field helps create long-term professional success. Our next slide is start a small top easy way to grow your network. This slide explains simple and practical ways to start networking, such as connecting with as classmate, professor, and professional online. It emphasizes that starting active and consistent, especially on LinkedIn, helps you remain operative in your career. Then our next slide is conclusion and review. This concludes slide reviews how networking connects people to opportunities and supports to long-term career success. It reinforces that small, consistent networking efforts can create a strong and lasting professional imprint. Then, our final thought: overall, networking is a powerful tool that helps build meaningful relationship and open doors to career opportunities. By taking small, consistent steps to connect with others, you can create long-term professional growth and success. And the last slide is reference. That's it. Thank you.